Looking for a fun way to explore Bellingham and Whatcom County? Quest Passes turn everyday adventures into unforgettable experiences. Quest Passes are free, themed digital passes that guide you through some of the best local spots. From waterfront adventures and farm-to-table trails, to public art, cultural heritage sites, and family-friendly fun. Each pass highlights a different way to experience the area, and they change throughout the year, so there's always something new to try. Signing up is quick and easy. Just visit bellingham.org/quest, choose the pass you're interested in, and it's delivered instantly to your phone. As you visit participating locations, you check in digitally, earning points and unlocking special offers. The more stops you visit, the more potential for earning prizes unique to Whatcom County along the way. Whether you're a local looking to rediscover your hometown, or a visitor ready to dive into Whatcom County's culture, Quest Passes are your guide to making the most out of every adventure. Start your quest today and see where it takes you. Learn more at bellingham.org/quest.